Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, today we're gonna try and fix this window. It seems to be going up, doesn't close full. Let me just show it to you. Okay, here's what's happening to the window. Goes up, but gets stuck there. Comes down normal, when it goes up, doesn't go anymore. It's not the switch, because the switch is working. So I'm gonna open it today and hopefully we can fix it up. Let's get cracking. There's a little clip that's here, which you need to you're just gonna pop it out like that. I'm holding the camera and I'm doing it, so it's a bit difficult. Here you go. Once that comes out, you can see there's a screw there. Right, that's one. There's also another one in here. See this here? Pop this one out. Same story. And there's a screw there as well. Right, and there's also a screw that's here. See here? You need to remove this part. It's a bit tricky. Just wedge it out. It's gonna fall. Okay, that fell. It's fine. I'll pick it up. And you can open the screw as well. Alright? The screw here. Once the screws are open, you just need to pop it up. So, nice. Now this is the cable for the lock, so it's a clip-on thing. Just clips in there, clipping. When I'm putting it back, I'll show you guys how it's done. It's basically straightforward. We can't really see what's going on here until we open this. This is a motor. This is what the motor looks like. See, you need to use the Torx. Torx there, 1, 2, and 3. Undo the electrical pin, and let's see what's going on inside. So everything looks fine, yeah. Found out what the fault is. I had to hold the window down. Let me show you guys. I had to put the suction cap so the window doesn't go down. But here's the fault right here. If you look closely, you can see there's 3. Let me show you properly. There's one here is eaten up. Second one here is also eaten up, and the third one here is eaten up. So this whole window mechanism needs to come out. This whole section needs to come out, and let's see from there what happens. This here is the one bolt that's holding the window. There's actually 2 bolts that's actually holding the window itself. That's one, and here's the other one. Just be sure that when you remove these bolts, you are holding the glass, because the glass is going to come down after that. This is what a Kia SPORTAGE window mechanism looks like. A bit tricky when you're taking it out, but that's how it operates. It's just a up and down process. But here's my fault here. Let's bring out. That's my fault right there. See the 3 gears, that's the quite badly damaged. So it doesn't go up anymore. That's a bit of a problem. Let's see what we can do to repair it now. This is where the cables go inside here and clips on here, slot inside here and under here, and it clips in there. You see, here's the clip. This is the clip. This is where it goes in. This part here goes under the slot, so it's like that. Moment of truth. Done. Seal properly. Fix. Quick fix. Thank you for watching. That's how it's done. It's a fix. Sorted.